What's up, guys? It's Cole. It is pretty close to 100 degrees here in Iowa today, and I got new toys for Frosty. Got a brush guard, gonna put it on the front. Gotta take the pods out from behind and mount them to the brush guard before. So with that, we're gonna set you up right. Shoot. Hey.
Oopsies.
Set you up right there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright guys, a half hour's worth of work. Boom, got it in. So the grill guard's gonna have to go and get painted with Line-X. But there it is. The pods up front. There you go, let's see if they work. Still. Gotta have keys first. See if it works here. Not gonna remember which set of pods that is. Hey, little switches down here. Cool. Alright, let's see. Hey, look at that. They work. Sweet. Next up, hopefully, is the first, second, third generation front end swap. Maybe. Anyway, have a good one, guys.